Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rao Sharma from Health Public School, Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class. As you know, this is your physics lecture. Your chapter electric charge and field is going on. And today I will discuss about the electric field lines. What is electric field line and about the properties of electric field lines. So, electric field lines. The electric field lines are imaginary lines which represent the direction of electric field. Electric field lines are imaginary lines which represent the direction of electric field. The electric field line starts from positive charge and end at negative charge. So, I am going to explain about the properties of electric field line. First, you can write the definition of electric field lines. Electric field lines. Electric field lines, you can say EFN. Electric field lines are imaginary lines which represent the direction of electric field. The direction of electric field. The electric field lines start from positive charge. It means if this is plus Q naught charge, then electric field line start from the positive charge. This is point charge, and if this is negative charge, then the direction of electric field line like this. This is the direction of electric field line for negative charge. So I think you can see clearly and you understand about the electric field lines. They start from positive charge and end at negative charge. These are imaginary lines and represent the direction of electric field. So now I am going to explain the properties of electric field lines. Properties of electric field lines. Number 1. Electric field line starts. Electric field line start from positive charge and end at negative charge. So this is the first property. Diagram, you can see if there is dipole. This is plus 2 charge and this is minus 2 charge. As you know, in dipole, 2 equal charge but opposite in nature, like at a distance, small distance. Then the electric field line like this. electric field lines are infinity in number. It means infinity number of electric field lines start from positive charge and end at negative charge. So you can draw infinity number of lines. So this is the first property. Second property, electric field lines are continuous. Electric field line start from positive charge and move to infinity. Move to infinity. It means these are continuous line. But the strength of electric field line as the value of electric field, direction of electric field and the strength of electric field we can represent by electric field lines. So electric field lines are moved starting point to infinity, but near the starting point the strength of electric field is maximum. But when the electric field line moves towards infinity, the strength of electric field line decreases. It means the strength of electric field is decreases according to distance, because as you know E proportional to 1/r². The electric field strength inversely proportional to the distance. So that's why the strength of electric field is near the point is maximum and at a far off distance from a point is minimum. So these are continuous lines. Continuous line. Third property, electric field lines never intersect to each other. So before this point you can take the direction of electric field. The direction of electric field is represented by the tangent. If this is the dipole and this is the electric field line, as you know. So the direction of electric field is like this. Okay? It means if this line represents the electric field line, then the direction of electric field is represented by the tangent. This is electric field line and this is electric field. So I hope you understand. Tangent drawn on electric field line represents the direction of electric field. Fourth property, electric field line never intersect to each other. Electric field line never intersect. This is the fourth property, never intersect each other. Because if electric field line intersect, then at the point of intersection, there is two possible paths. There is two possible paths of electric field, but at a point there is only one possible direction of electric field. So that's why the electric field line never intersect. And the fifth property, electric field lines emit from a surface normally. It means if this is a surface, then electric field lines emit from the surface normally. This is positive charge and the electric field line emerges from the surface normally. If this is negative, then electric field lines enter normally. Okay, so it means the electric field line emerge or merge into a surface normal. So this is fifth property. And the last property, electric field lines are travel parallel to each other. Electric field lines travel parallel or equidistant to each other. If the electric field lines are straight line, then they travel parallel to each other. But if electric field lines, this is positive charge, negative charge, and these are electric field lines, then the separation between electric field lines, the separation between electric field lines will be equal. So this is the sixth property of electric field lines. You can draw this diagram neatly. This is electric field lines. So this is sixth property. Electric field line travel parallel to each other, or the distance between electric field lines will be equal. And the closeness of electric field line is represent the strength of electric field. If electric field lines travel near to each other, it means electric field lines are close to each other. Then, as you can see, at this point, the distance between electric field line is small. It means electric field lines are close to each other. So, at this place, the strength of electric field is maximum. And at this point, there is comparatively a more distance between electric field lines. It means at this point, the strength of electric field is comparatively less. Okay, so closeness of electric field line is represent the strength of electric field. So these are the property of electric field lines. Now I am going to draw some diagram related to different charges. If we have to draw electric field lines such that Q greater than 0, Q greater than 0. So what is the meaning of this point? It means the Q will be positive. When Q greater than 0, then the electric field line like this. It means this is a positive charge. If this is a point charge, so you can draw the electric field line like this. So this is the representation of electric field line for positive Q charge. Now second, Q less than 0. So what is the meaning of Q less than 0? Q less than 0 means Q is negative. Q equal to negative charge. So for negative charge, as you know, you have to draw electric field line like this. Electric field line and at negative charge. So I hope you understand. If this is the point charge, then electric field line seems to meet at a point. So this is electric field line for positive Q, Q greater than 0, and this is Q less than 0. Now the third, if we have to draw the electric field line to Q and Q charge, which are separated by a distance d. This is plus 2 charge and this is plus 2 charge. So you can take the more distance, that this is Q. This is plus 2 charge and this plus 2 charge and this is plus 2 charge. The distance between them is D. You can take adding electric field line between two different charges of same nature. A charge different in magnitude but same in nature. So in this case, the electric field lines start from positive charge and both are positive. This is plus Q and this is minus plus Q. Then the electric field line, this is the line going in. Then the electric field line starts from positive charge and move towards this positive charge, but as you know there is a repulsive force between two same charges, so that's why electric field line move like this. as you can see, the region occupied by Q2 charge, it means the larger charge is more than the smaller charge. The more charge occupied more region. If this charge is, and the value of charge, this charge may be 2, 3, 4, 5. It means this charge is bigger or larger than the second charge. So region occupied by the larger charge is greater than the smaller charge. So I hope you understand about this diagram and about the property of electric field lines. Some topics of this chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you very much.